I'm Steve Obino. Tonight's subject is gun control. This controversy is burning across the nation. Everybody's up in arms about it. Get it? Up in arms. Well, I think I have the solution for most of the violence here in America. Quit pissing people off. Nip it. Nip it. Somebody who's pissed off is more apt to shoot you than somebody who's not pissed off. So that's my suggestion. Quit pissing people off. I'm Steve Ovino. Bye.